spectacular. Of course, the media is going to get the opportunity to take lots of wonderful pictures just in a little bit. I think this deserves a huge round of applause. What a spectacular, beautiful. Thank you so much, gentlemen. You may now take your seats. And to all of you for being such a wonderful audience, give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Like I said, it feels great to be at a live. I invite Lawrence Vatanecker to take us through the design of this fantastic car. Take a look.
Head of Design for Group Renault, and I'm delighted to see you again, even if I cannot be with you in India. After the Kiger show car reveal last fall, I'm very happy and excited to present you today its production version, the Renault Kiger. In line with the company's transformation program, Renaulution, Kiger carries Renault's new ambitions in India with a strong identity and positioning. Developed jointly by our design teams in India and France, Kiger was designed for the Indian market. Its development responds to the specificities of the market and sticking to the aspirations of Indian customers. Kiger is a compact SUV under 4 meters with a strong personality. A spacious and sophisticated interior capable of accommodating 5 adults. True to the promise of the show car, Kiger is a robust, dynamic and generous SUV. The assertive front block, high belt line and its marked shoulders make it a robust SUV, armed for travel in the urban jungle. With its wheels pushed to the 4 corners of the body, associated with a high ground clearance, Kiger is also built for escape and confronts any type of road with serenity. The angle of the windscreen, very sloping, extended by a plunging roof, gives Kiger the look of an SUV coupe. And its long wheelbase promises great habitability and volume on board. The exterior style reinforces Kiger's muscular and athletic proportions, like its front bumper and its sculpted bonnet. At the front, Kiger is also distinguished by the modernity of its details. The upper strip, combining both the grille and the LEDs for the daytime running lights, gives a high-perched gaze. The indicators are integrated into the daytime running lights. The pure vision headlights give a strong identity to the lower front face. They are composed of 2 blocks of 3 all 100% LEDs. On the sides, the generous wheel arches add strength and character to the bodywork. At higher trim levels, 16-inch wheels with a light black alloy coating, combined with a diamond finish, give Kiger a sporty and elegant look. Solid and robust in the lower part, the top of the Kiger boasts a dynamic silhouette with sleek and tall lines. The floating rooftop, prolonged by a spoiler, expresses dynamism. Further down, a protective ski and aluminum finish completes the vehicle's SUV identity. And at the rear, Kiger also asserts its modernity thanks to 100% LED optics. Pushed to the extremities of the bodywork, they incorporate the brand's luminous signature in the C-shape. They give it a unique personality, immediately recognizable. Kiger comes in 6 exciting body colors. And whatever the finish level, it offers customers the choice of combining a black roof for a 2-tone effect. The interior has been designed to combine the sturdiness of an SUV with a focus on sophistication and technology. The smart cabin has been specially designed to encourage sharing and conviviality. A floating feel is expressed by piano-type switches and suspended climate controls. An 8-inch touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, brings modernity to the interior. It is complemented by a 7-inch digital cluster behind the steering wheel, whose controls are backlit. They include many settings, such as access to onboard computer menu, speaker volume, telephone and radio functions, and also voice recognition. On board, Kiger surprises with its comfort and habitability. At the front, Kiger offers a comfortable distance between the seats, the best in its segment. And at the rear, Kiger provides the best leg room and elbow room of the segment. The seat height provides a commanding driving position, accentuating driving comfort. Practical and clever, Kiger offers its passengers multiple storage spaces, with a total capacity on board of 25 liters, an outstanding figure in the segment. Kiger also sets a very high standard when it comes to load capacity, offering 405 liters, the best boot capacity in the segment. Thanks to all these assets, Kiger offers high qualities of life on board and sophisticated equipments with a unique and modern personality. Kiger is the most accomplished vehicle that Renault has ever developed for India. We strongly believe in its potential of attraction and its ability to appeal to Indian customers and meet their expectations.
I am already sold. And I'm sure you'd agree with me when I say, isn't it commendable how Renault continues to push the limits and bring us cars that redefine expectations? And I feel it is this non-stop drive to innovate and stay a step ahead that makes Renault cars stand out from the crowd. Of course, I'd like to call on stage once again Mr. Venkatram to share with us his closing remarks. Congratulations.
Thank you. Hello again. As communicated by Fabrice, India is part of Renault strategy. The launch of Kiger is an asset for India to realize the new strategic plan of Group Renault. Our continuous focus is on creating value despite the challenges of macroeconomic environment. Renault continue to move forward, and we have bettered the industry trends. We have managed this by our robust business strategy, which includes our existing product range, laser-sharp focus on quality, customer centricity, and our aggressive network ramp-up across the country. In 2020, we have added more than 120 sales and service touchpoints in India, and our network reach stand at more than 500 sales and 400 service touchpoints, including our workshop on wheels location. Our efforts are to substantially increase the network reach this year, particularly across rural India, where we see a tremendous potential for our growth. Our focus has always been on launching cars that are completely revolutionized the segment, and this has been one of our key success drivers. Duster, Kwid and Triber have created an unmatched value proposition. Our commitment is to do the same with Renault Kiger. We have understood the evolving expectation and aspiration of our customers and have designed and developed an SUV that will surely impress them. The new age customer does not want SUV that's just sporty or simply smart or only stunning, but their expectation is that should combine all three elements. Renault Kiger is our all-new PSUV, which will stand out an existingly sporty, super smart, attractively stunning offering. Renault Kiger will be powered by a turbocharged 1-liter petrol engine for more versatility and driving pleasure. The engine has been tested for reliability, durability, and offers the latest technology innovation already featured in our global range. The high-performance, modern and efficient engine will ensure an existing sporty drive and will be complemented by multi-sense drive modes to best suit the customer driving preferences. A first-in-class multi-screen digital cluster will work in tandem with the drive mode selected displaying the relevant information. At the same time, Kiger will have the best-in-class fuel efficiency. A perfect match to the powerful engine options is Renault Kiger's smart cabin, which combines technology, functionality and roominess. This includes several best-in-class highlights like high central console distance between the front headrest, rear room, knee room, also the total cabin storage volume of 29 liters. On the tech front, we have featured like the wireless smartphone replication and first-in-class PM 2.5 clean air filter. We will also have an existing range of accessories which are available in 5 diverse packs, which further accentuates Renault Kiger's attractive design and smart utility. Now coming to the Kiger's stunning design. They say first impression is the best impression. And Renault Kiger depicts very strong personality with its resolute, modern and dynamic design. From the initial glimpses of Renault Kiger, its attractive design has been widely appreciated. As explained in detail by Lawrence, Renault Kiger has been designed with a host of sporty and muscular elements. Most importantly with 205 mm ground clearance, functional roof bar and a rear skid plate. Renault Kiger stands out as a true SUV. Like all Renault cars, Kiger will make a strong statement with an outstanding design. Renault Kiger will be launched in the B segment, which accounts for more than 50% of the total industry sales and will enable us to grow our presence across the country. With Kiger, we will forward the welcoming more customers into our Renault family as we strengthen our presence in India. I am sure you all will agree that this is a true game changer on our hands. Now, before I invite you to discover the cars on stage, I would like to play Renault Kiger reveal video for you. Thank you.